Professional traders have something special, a secret indicator, a hidden strategy, or access to information retail traders will never see. But here's the truth. Professional traders don't win because they know more. They win because they think differently. They don't chase trades. They don't panic after losses. And they don't let emotions decide when to enter or exit. Today, we're going to break down how professional traders think about the market, not technically, but mentally. Because once your mindset changes, your behavior changes. And once your behavior changes, your results eventually follow. If you've ever felt stuck, confused, or frustrated with your trading results, this video is for you. Section 1. Process over profits. Beginner traders focus on money. How much did I make today? How many pips was that trade? Was today a good day or a bad day? Professional traders don't ask those questions. They ask different ones. Did I follow my plan? Did I respect my risk rules? Was my execution clean and disciplined? Here's the key difference. Money is emotional. Process is neutral. When you focus on money, emotions take control. Fear shows up. Greed shows up. Impatience shows up. But when you focus on process, emotions fade into the background. A professional trader can take a losing trade and still be satisfied because the trade was executed correctly. That mindset alone separates amateurs from professionals. Section 2. Professionals expect losses. This is where most traders struggle. Professional traders expect losses, not emotionally, mathematically. They know no strategy wins all the time. They know drawdowns will happen. They know losing streaks are part of the business. Beginner traders take losses personally. They feel attacked by the market. They feel the need to fight back. That's when revenge trading begins. Professional traders don't fight losses. They accept them. Losses are not failure. They are business expenses. The moment you stop emotionally reacting to losses, you regain control. And control is everything in trading. Section 3. Probability over prediction. Beginner traders want certainty. They want confirmation. They want guarantees. So they add more indicators, more rules, more complexity. Professional traders don't predict the market. They work with probabilities. 1 trade means nothing. 5 trades mean very little. A large sample size reveals the edge. This thinking removes emotional attachment. Professionals don't celebrate wins. They don't panic over losses. They simply execute the next trade. Section 4. Risk first, entry second. Beginner traders ask one question: where do I enter? Professional traders ask a different question: how much can I lose if I'm wrong? Before clicking buy or sell, professional traders already accept the loss. They know the amount. They know the percentage. And they are comfortable with it. This creates calm, confidence, and discipline. You cannot trade confidently if you're afraid of losing. Risk control creates emotional control. Section 5. Less trading, more patience. More trades do not mean more profits. More trades usually mean more mistakes, more emotion, more burnout. Professional traders wait. They skip mediocre setups. They stay flat when conditions aren't right. Boredom destroys more accounts than bad strategies ever will. Patience is not passive. It's selective. Section 6. Review, don't react. After a trade, beginner traders react emotionally. Professional traders review logically. They journal. They analyze behavior. They look for patterns. They don't ask, Why did I lose money? They ask, did I follow my rules? You don't improve by trading more. You improve by reviewing better. Section 7. The identity shift. At some point, professional traders stop trying to win trades. They start trying to become consistent operators. They trade like business owners, not gamblers. This identity shift is where real growth begins. Professional traders are not special. They are disciplined. They are patient. They are emotionally neutral. If you want professional results, you must first adopt a professional mindset. In the next video, we'll break down how professional traders structure their daily routines to avoid overtrading and burnout. Subscribe if you're serious about consistency. Because hype fades, but discipline compounds.